is Guada Trini, simply the greatest show on earth. So we are at the top. Red man, wait, I think I know who. Welcome friends. So I needed a little fresh air from all this COVID restrictions and chaos. I decided to do the Pines Trail up on Mt St. Benedict. But while we're at it, I'm answering some of the most searched questions on Google about Trinidad and Tobago. And believe me, you'd be surprised what people want to know. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss this one. There we go. The Pines Trail, as its name suggests, is a 30-minute trek up Mt.Tabor from the picturesque Abbey of Mt St. Benedict. Where the road ends, the trail begins. Although rated at 3, there are some steep, rugged and rocky parts. So stretch before and wear comfortable shoes. Don't forget to survey the area from the lookout tower along the way and take lots of photos. First question. Are Trinidad and Tobago borders open? It's not due to COVID-19. It's better we stay where we are and keep safe. Is Trinidad and Tobago a real place? A real place? But yes, we are a proud twin island nation. And southernmost island in the Caribbean, known for our rich and unique culture and one of the most cosmopolitan nations in the world. You name it, we have it. So when the borders open, come see for yourself. Next question. Does Tobago take US dollars? I assure you, both Trinidad and Tobago accept US. And by the way, if you have any to change, check. What is Trinidad and Tobago Carnival? Simply the greatest show on earth.
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now because it's carnival.
By the way, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to this real place and hit me a comment or two. I always reply.
Sweet woman parade abundantly. The brethren live full of energy. Some people say God is a Trinity. Paradise are not convincingly. God gave us.
Next question. Is Guada Trini? I'd like to think yes. Just look at the surroundings. But that statement is a measure of the adaptability, resilience, and ability of our people to weather any storm. Just like Gonzalo. What are Trinidad and Tobago achievements? Too many.
I want to see your right hand. Show me all your right hand. Put up your right hand. Show me all your right hand. Your right hand. Trinidad, 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 Trinidad. Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are my people?
Who owns Trinidad and Tobago? Owns us? I'm not sure, but I'll say we are lucky to born into a democracy. So, be thankful for that.
From Togo to Caroni, Maraba to Sanssouci, from Scarborough to Kokori, profiling on Frederick Street. Sweet, sweet TNT. Oh, how I love up this country. Sweet, sweet TNT. No place in this world I'd rather be. Sweet, sweet TNT. Oh, how I love up my country. Sweet, sweet TNT. All this sugar can be good for me.
What is Trinidad and Tobago national dish? We have dozens of tasty dishes that was created right here, but the main two I'd say is doubles, which is our #1 street food, and pilau. But we also have kalaloo, fish broth, oil dong, bacon shark, macaroni pie, crab and dumpling, corn soup, just to name a few. These dishes developed throughout our history due to the intermixing of influences from our Asian, African, European, and Amerindian roots. Did Trinidad and Tobago break up? Break up as in a relationship? No. I assure you that the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago remains one people, one nation, One love. So we finally at the top. We're looking towards South Trinidad here. And towards North Trinidad. Next question. Find a Trinidad red man. Red man? Wait, I think I know who.
Red! Let's come to here, man! Red! Red, let's come to here! Red! Red, man, come quick, boy! Red! Red! Come quick! Red, come quick, boy! Red, man, come, boy! Red, man, come, boy! Red, man, come, boy! Red, man, come! Hey, this is blowing with it! Dan! Red, man, come, boy, come! Red man! Look at roof! Red man! We are to go back for red man! Go back! We'll go back. Turn the roof on our building, we'll go back. We are to go back for red. Hey, turn the roof on our building, we'll go back. Red man, red stupid boy!
Just so you know, red man was found safe and sound under his steps. Last question on this episode of KAPS in Paradise. Is Trinidad and Tobago under a storm watch? I think we in the clear. But just in case, it's about time we go anyway. We had a great hike. We answered all the questions. So I urge you to keep safe and stay tuned for more.